It's important to me to be an ambassador in the life sciences so that I can do one of my favorite things, which is connect people with opportunities.
I had went on to the NC Biotech site and I watched the video, and then all of a sudden it connected me with Dr. Lisa. And Dr. Lisa's like, oh yeah, we can get you in. This is the class, and here you go. I've enjoyed the classes. I got lifetime friends from school because we depend on each other. Trust me, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
I can do human resources anywhere, but I chose life sciences because I know what I'm doing is helping people, but I wanted to be a part of a bigger community where I know I'm helping people, and I'm a part of a company that has a really strong mission and vision and is trying to do right, not just by their employees, but also by patients and saving lives.
It opens up a lot of doors. It helps people. We make the flu vaccine and everybody gets the flu, everybody catches the flu.
A lot of people will want to work a job where they can connect to the passion of helping save lives. Some people may want to do that through being a doctor or being a nurse and directly working through patients. Some people, that may not be their calling, but they still want to help people in some way, and they can do that by making life-saving medicines right here in North Carolina.